This court is now closed for the receipt of nomination papers. We are not going to adjourn because the results are already, they are ready. The following National Assembly constituency candidates have been duly nominated in alphabetical order of their surnames. Nkomo Abraham Yona, DOP, Party. Siziva Gift, Triple C, Party. Tembo More Blessing, Triple C, Party. Chuma Joseph, ZANU-PF, Party. Isikhathi sethu sekungu-1600 hours. Ikoti sivalile ukuthatha amaphepha. Asisoze sime mbijana ngoba ama-results ethu asekhona. Ama-results ethu siwabiza in alphabetical order yama-surnames ama-candidates. Nkomo Abraham Yona, owe-DOP. Siziva Gift, owe-Triple C. Tembo More Blessing, owe-Triple C. Chuma Joseph, owe-ZANU-PF. Bonke labo amaphepha abo angenile, angene aphumelela. Since more than one candidate has been duly nominated for this election, a poll shall take place on Saturday, 3 February 2024, in accordance with Section 46, subsection 17, paragraph C of the Electoral Act, Chapter 213, as read with Proclamation Number 10 of 2023. Thank you. We have some few announcements to our duly nominated candidates. Before you leave this place, you collect your code of conduct, a signed copy, one copy for yourself. You also collect a copy for your chief election agent. That's an appointment form for your chief election agent. You are also then invited to a multi-party liaison committee formation meeting that will be held at Windsor Park Boardroom on the 21st of December at 1400 hours. Tomorrow at this court from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. the papers will be laid for you for inspection. That's for all registered voters who would want to go through the lodged papers. The proceedings of this nomination court are terminated. Linxusiwe bakhona bathe sikhulumela ngesindebele. Linxusiwe ukuthi nxa lisuka lapha ama-candidates lithathe ama-forms ama-chief election agents. Those are appointment forms elizabuya lawo kusasa selisiza ku-inspection. Liyanxuswa njalo ku-formation ye-multi-party liaison committee meeting ezakuba khona eWindsor Park mhla ka-21 ngo-2 emini. E-boardroom eWindsor Park. Sasa sile inspection eqala ngo-8 a.m. igcina ngo-4 which is 1600 hours. ikoti yethu isivalile. Siyabonga. Silence in court.